suppose you have two marching bands. One of them is from Stanford, and they're wearing all different colors, and they're trying to march across the field, but they're going in every different direction. So one guy goes that way, one guy goes that way, and another guy is going around in circles.
That's not really a parade.
So this is the Stanford band. And let's make them be all in different colors too. So they're zooming around in various colors. And they march in straight lines. And they march all in step. All at the same beat. Boom, 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 boom. This one represents a laser beam. A laser beam has all the same color. They all march perfectly together in lines, and they're all in step with each other. Regular old white light is a mixture of a whole bunch of different colors, and it shoots off all over the place. If all of the marchers are marching perfectly in step with each other, they don't bang into each other, and they can stay in a nice tight formation. So the other thing you need to know is if you yell loud, your voice makes vibrations. Remember when we had that spring out? Did I show you the spring that moves all over the place? I'm going to wiggle it, and then we'll see what it does. If we're doing jump rope, I'll just move my end. You keep your end steady. This could be a jump rope, and one person could jump on it.
It doesn't do anything. Oh yeah, I tried that, and
it represents red light. Red light is a big lazy wave. What's the next color down on the rainbow? Orange. Orange has more energy in it than red does. So orange might look like that. Now you can have two jumper ropers in the same space. Sound waves are a lot like waves. The low frequencies are great big waves. High frequencies are little waves.
That's a nice one.
Now we're going to try and see your voice today. But first, we need a crazy story. And the Indians brought back a shedded snakeskin. And he Mr. Fred said, "Wow, how'd you do that?" And the Indian said, "Why, we're smart, boss. We just did it." And he says, "Oh boy." And he took some scissors and he cut it all up. And he put the snakeskin over the broken open areas. And now, evil Mr. Fred had windows in his castle. He was really happy to have that. And he started making his plans with everybody else, all kinds of weird people and animals and creatures, about how they're going to take over the world. To make it into a drum-like thing, you set it on the table. You put your two sets of fingers in there so you can stretch it. And then you pick someone else and have him put their fingers sideways and have him stretch it. Stretch. And then we bring it over the cup and set it down. And you've got a drum.
It's a smoke.
You have a drum that does weird things. Now, we can stick the mirror anywhere we want, but we're going to stick it on the balloon. If you ever get the paper off, then you stick the sticky thing on the middle of the balloon.
If your nose doesn't
We'll take a laser pen.
Laser.
So we got some laser pens.
Everything except the laser pen.
Yeah. And we stick it in there and hope it stays. And we have some alligators on our laser pen.
Yellow.
You're going to hook them up to a battery.
It's not
So now we've got a laser pen that's lit up. Can you see it on the balloon?
Yeah.
Look at it. It's going to stay there. Now we can bounce the laser beam off the mirror onto the wall.
Cool.
See if it'll
And it
stay
gets
on.
bigger. Take off bigger.
Oh, wow.
It works.
Now if I talk into it, hello.